The American government has issued a state of emergency in regard to the false reality disease. The counties affected as listed are Hackerson County, Allison County, Mender County, Callison County. Our only advice is to seek the blockade that has been put in place around populated areas. They will check for signs of infection, such as irritated eyes, restlessness, aggressiveness, hallucinations. If you see anyone that shows these signs of infection, alert your local authorities. Do not interact with the infected due to risk of attack or infection.